Hello everyone, we meet again. As you know, on this channel we share interesting facts which will definitely interest you. We are dedicated to enlightening you about fascinating developments around the world, most especially in the area of military warfare, and here we are with another. Stay tuned. Military drones are increasingly used in special operations. They allow reconnaissance from the air and, thanks to their small size, sneak unnoticed deep into enemy formations. There are also drones that can not only carry out reconnaissance and surveillance, but also fire. Today we will talk about large unmanned aerial vehicles, but show you some of the smallest and most practical military drones in the world. Here are some of the most insane military drones in the world. Number 1. Predator Sea Avenger. This is a remotely piloted aircraft developed by GAASI. The first flight of the aircraft was conducted in April of 2009. The combat drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 8,255 kilograms. It is capable of carrying multiple sensor payloads attached to its wing hardpoint mountings, while its internal weapons bay can carry precision munitions and large sensors up to 1,588 kilograms. The total payload of the aircraft is 2,948 kilograms. Number 2. Heron TP. Also known as ITE, this is an automatic taxi takeoff and landing ATOL drone designed and developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. The combat drone is capable of 2,700 kilograms, which includes multiple mission systems such as synthetic aperture radar (SAR), global system for mobile communications (GSM), communication intelligence sensors, and combat payloads such as guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT-6A 1200 bhp engine, the aircraft can endure for more than 30 hours while flying at a maximum speed of 220 knots. Number 3. MQ9B Sky Guardian. Developed by GAASI, the UAV is designed in accordance with NATO STANAG 4671 UAV system airworthiness requirements and the UK DEFSTAN 00970 design and airworthiness standards. The UAV has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,670 kilograms and features 9 payload stations, which can hold a maximum payload of 1,840 kilograms. It is capable of carrying combat payloads such as 500-pound GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs and/or AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. Number 4. Predator B MQ9 Reaper. The Predator B MQ9 Reaper is twice as fast as its predecessor. Predator can carry 500% more payload. It is capable of reaching maximum altitudes of 50,000 feet and has a maximum speed of 240 knots and endurance of 27 hours. Number 5. CH-5. The CH-5 UAV, also known as Rainbow UAV, is designed and developed by the China Aerospace and Technology Corporation, CASC. The unmanned aircraft was introduced first in November 2016 and resembles the US-made MQ9 Reaper drone. This combat drone is capable of carrying out combat missions, reconnaissance, surveillance, patrol, and target positioning. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 3,300 kilograms and payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms. The hardpoint on each wing can be attached with a quad pack of AR-2 SAL guided anti-armor missiles and 2 twin packs of AR-1 SAL missiles. Number 6. Yabhan United 40. This multi-mission UAV is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms, which includes sensors and surveillance systems such as camera platforms, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and sonar. The combat drone features 4 pods under the wing for carrying ammunition weighing up to 400 kilograms. The unmanned aircraft also has provision for additional fitness of external payload near the belly of the fuselage. Powered by a hybrid turbine electric propulsion system, the aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 180 knots and can remain airborne for 120 hours. The maximum permissible takeoff weight of the aircraft is 1,500 kilograms. Number 7. MQ-1C Gray Eagle. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle Unmanned Aircraft System, UAS, was developed as part of the U.S. Army Aviation Modernization Plan. Designed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAASI, this aircraft is used to meet the reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition (RSTA) requirements. The UAS is designed to carry a total payload of 488 kilograms. while its full fuel and external payload capacities are respectively 261 kilograms and 227 kilograms. The combat drone version can carry 4 Hellfire missiles. Other payloads include EO/IR sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and communication relay sensors. Powered by Tealbert 165 horsepower heavy fuel engine, the MQ-1C Grey Eagle has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,633 kilograms. The maximum permitted altitude and maximum speed of the UAV are 29,000 feet and 167 knots respectively. The UAS has a maximum endurance of 25 hours, while the Ranger version offers an endurance of 40 hours. Number 8. CAIG Wing Long 2. The Wing Long 2 unmanned aerial vehicle, designed and developed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC, is an advanced version of the Wing Long 1 UAV. The aircraft serves the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF. Intended for surveillance, reconnaissance, and aerial strike, the drone can carry a maximum external payload of 480 kilograms. It can carry up to 12 laser-guided bombs or missiles, including FT9-50 bombs, GB3 250-kilogram laser-guided bombs, and TL-10 missiles. The medium-altitude long-endurance (MALE) aircraft can endure for 32 hours and cruise at a maximum speed of 199 knots. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,200 kilograms and a surface ceiling of 32,480 feet. Number 9. MQ5B Hunter. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ5B Hunter multi-mission unmanned aircraft has been operational with U.S. Armed Forces for the last 2 decades, meeting all the standards set by the U.S. Department of Defense. The Hunter UAV is capable of carrying a total payload of 226.8 kilograms. It can carry multiple sensors such as electro-optical, EO, infrared, IR, and communication systems, in addition to external weapons such as Northrop Grumman Viper Strike laser-guided munition. Powered by a heavy fuel engine, the MQ5B Hunter has a maximum takeoff weight of 884.50 kilograms and a maximum service ceiling of 18,000 feet. The unmanned aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 120 knots and endure for 21 hours. MQ-5CE Hunter, a larger version of the MQ-5B, is capable of remaining airborne for up to 30 hours. Number 10. TAI ANCA. The ANCA unmanned aerial vehicle UAV has been operational with the Turkish Air Force since 2017. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industry, TAI, the UAV is designed to meet the reconnaissance, surveillance, target recognition, and detection requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. The total payload carrying capacity of the ANCA UAV is 200 kilograms, which includes an identification friend or foe (IFF) system, laser designator, laser finder, and weapon payload such as rope stand smart micro munition (MAML), air-launched missile launcher, and laser-guided CIRIT 2.75-inch rocket. The combat drone is powered by a 150-horsepower turboprop PD-170 engine developed by Turkish Engine Industries (TEI). It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,600 kilograms, maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, and endurance of more than 24 hours. That's it for now. I hope you gleaned a lot from this. I'm glad you did. Join me next time on another exciting episode. Bye for now.